Chapter 9. The Canary. Mary had a little bird with feathers bright and yellow. Slender legs, upon my word, he was a pretty fellow. Sweetest notes he always sung, which much delighted Mary. Often where his cage was hung, she sat to hear Canary. Crumbs of bread and some seeds she carried to him daily. Seeking for the early wheat, she decked his palace gaily. This my little readers learn and ever practice duly. Songs and smiles of love written to friends who love you truly. Songs and smiles of love written to friends who love you truly.